Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing I want to say this is probably the summer box, but this is our Walmart beauty box. We'll know in just a few moments which season it is. And for those of you who are not familiar with it, I will leave all the details down below. Kind of disappointed because I like the other box a little better. I was looking forward to another one like that. But I was on my way out the door this morning and they delivered it into my hand instead of at my doorstep. Okay. But like I said, all of the details will be down below. And so let's go ahead and jump into it. Now, while I'm opening it, I do want to give you some details about it. And the first one being, it is a combination of sample size, travel size, and even some full size products. Okay. And this is actually a sample box from Walmart, which lets you know about some upcoming items that they have and they're believing we will love for the summer. All right. Now, the box itself is free. We just pay for shipping. That's it. You can't beat this deal. Okay. But let's just go ahead and jump in. This is their description booklet, and it lets us know about all the items that are inside as well as the prices for the full size item, or if it is a sample item, it will still let you know what the full size item price would be. Okay. And this is the spring box. Ask me how I know. See right there. And it says Spring Beauty in Bloom. And it says new season, blooming beauty. Meet our curation of fresh picks and soon to be faves. All right. Now it tells us we can shop the full size of any of these products and get ingredient info at walmart.com/beauty box. All right. So uh let me just show you what inside the box looks like. I'm gathering this box is sponsored by La Roche-Posay since it's this big ad right here on the top, but this is how they pack our items. So let's see. The first item that we have is by La Roche-Posay, and it is this one right here. And this is the Toleraine Purifying Foaming Cleanser. This one is truly a sample size product, and it is a 0.5 fluid ounce size. And it says a gentle daily cleanser for normal to oily, sensitive skin from the brand trusted by over 100,000 dermatologists worldwide. All right. Now, let's see. It says it is ceramide plus niacinamide. Okay. That's interesting. This particular one has a 12-month shelf life. And it does not tell me if this is a cruelty-free product or not as of yet anyway. Well, no, I do not see where it is a cruelty-free product. I do not see where it is a cruelty-free product or, if it is a clean product or not, but that's okay. It's a very easy find. All we have to do is go online and check it out. However, if you were to get the full size of this item, the price would be $19.97 and a full size item would be 13.52 fluid ounces. Okay. Now let's just see. I just want to see if it's sealed. No, it is not. I was trying to check and see if it had any type of fragrance to it, and it really doesn't. It just, I don't know. Doesn't, I can't even say it just smells clean. It doesn't really have a fragrance to it at all. But that one is item number one. All right. Now let's keep moving. The next product that we have is by Hask. And this one is another sample size. And it is a sample size of the Hask Soothe Plus Tea Tree Oil Scalp Care Shampoo and Conditioner. Okay. And as you can tell, definitely a sample size based on what it looks like. And it says kindness is our secret ingredient. And for these products, it says we craft every blend with nourishing care and leave out the rest. Good hair days, the kind way. No sulfates, no silicones, and it is vegan, and it is color safe. All right. Now, since it is a single use size, there is no expiration date on here, because once you open it, you're going to use it all. I promise you, you're going to use it all. Okay. But let's see what this one is good for. It says it's great scalp care. It refreshes and invigorates. All right. And 0.35 fluid ounce size on both. All righty. Did check to see if there were any other details, but that's actually all it says. This one is called the Soothe Tea Tree Oil and Rosemary. Okay. I'm here for that. All right. So this one is item number 2. And if you were to get the full size item, it would be $7.98 for, wow, 98 cents for one shampoo and $7.97 for the conditioner. Okay. And it would be a 49.8 fluid ounce size. All righty. So let's keep going. The next one we have is a full size product. All right. And it is this one right here. And this is the GURUNADA Teeth Whitening Strips System. And it says this is a premium whitening strip, and it's safe and effective. Gradually whitens teeth with each use. No mess dry strip technology with natural coconut oil. And it comes with 14 strips. Oh, 10 professional plus 4 express and a shade guide. Okay. Very interesting. This is the first time I've ever heard of a teeth whitening system with the main ingredient as coconut. Okay, now I did tell you it was professional and express. Well, it says the professional strips you use once a day for 30 to 45 minutes, but the express you use once a day for 60 minutes. How is that express? Okay, it says with higher hydrogen peroxide strength than other professional strips. Okay, we'll take their word for it. All right, and let's see. Now, this one says it expires in October 2027. Okay, it does give you the steps to take in order to use the product. And it says it has no mess dry strip technology. All righty. Interesting, interesting, interesting. It says bridge the gap. Every smile matters. All right. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one, because it is a full size, is $10.47. Okay. So this was our first full size item. So we know there is at least one. All right, so let's keep going. The next one we have is yet another sample size product. It's this one right here. We always seem to get a lotion of some type in each one. This month did not disappoint, but this one is the Gold Bond Age Renew Retinol Overnight Body and Face Lotion. All right, this one is a 0.75 ounce size, and it says it's retinol overnight and peptide complex. Okay, clinically shown to reveal smoother looking skin overnight. Okay, overnight. So you're going to look different in the morning than you did when you went to sleep. How about that? And it says non-irritating and gentle for daily use. Actually, I was really just checking to see if there were shelf life and or whether it was vegan or not. But it doesn't say. But it does say it actually contains 7 moisturizers plus 3 vitamins. All right. And if this were the full size, it would be $11.97. And that full size would be 1.71 ounce size. All right, let's check this one and see if there's a fragrance to this one. Maybe not, because it says for the face too. Oh, it just smells like their regular lotion. It does not have, any specific type of scent or fragrance to it. All right, I like this. Now, it does not say this is something you should stick in your purse, you know, because it is just for overnight use. So you don't want to carry it around and accidentally, put it on your hands or whatever throughout the day, because that is not what this is for. Okay, moving right along. The next item we have is another sample, and it's by Origin. And this is what it looks like. It says this is the Sahara Mystery Oud Eau de Parfum. All right, let's see. It says Smoky Oud Reimagined for today. This one is a 0.04 fluid ounce size. Oh, this is Journey to the Sahara. Notes of modern oud, vanilla, and saffron meet. Sweetened smoke swirls like magic. Notes of oud, vanilla blossom, and saffron. Okay, that's all it's telling me. Very interesting. Now, we usually swatch at the end, but there doesn't seem to be an item in here that we would need to swatch. So since there is not, we can go ahead and spray this one so we can see, kind of what it smells like. Well, this, of course, is what the outer packaging looks like. And this one is just because it's a sample size. So I really don't have, there we go. That's what the full-size bottle would look like. All right, so let's spray a little and see. Oh, I'm surprised. Well, not really. I don't know what I was expecting it to smell like, but this actually does smell good. It is not heavy on the oud smell at all. No, this is nice. This one I'd buy. I would buy. Let's see how much I would be spending on it. How about that? So it says the Origin Sahara Mystery Oud Eau de Perfume. Full-size item would be, based on the fluid ounce. Okay, first of all, it does not tell me what the full-size item would be, except to say the cost on this would be $6.05 per fluid ounce. Okay, per fluid ounce. So the full size, it says, would be $19.97. So that would be maybe 3.6, somewhere around there, fluid ounces, okay, to come out to be about $19.97. All right, how about that? But I'm telling you right now, it smells nice. It really does. It is not overpowering. I think I might go and actually purchase it. I do like what this picture says the full-size bottle looks like. It would look great on my shelf with the rest. What you think? Okay. Well, we're not done yet. We still have a couple more. The next item we have, okay, it most definitely is a full-size item. You'll see why I laughed in just a moment. All right, and this is by the company Kiss, and it is an emery board. Yes, it is a full-size emery board, okay? And this one says it's a nail file buff and shape. All right, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $3.97. So the pink side, which is this one, is the side you use to shape your nails. This side is what you use to buff them with. Okay, so not bad. I'm sure we all know what that is, and this is certainly not something that we would swatch either. All right, so moving right along, we have one last product, and guess what? It's a full-size product as well, and it's rather interesting. This is also by Kiss, and this one is, it says Kiss Core Magnetic Shimmering Press-On Nails, and this is what that package looks like. Can you see that clearly? I'm going to try to turn it towards the light so you can really get a nice look at that. Now, it says this one is part of the Core collection, and the nails are a size medium. There are 32 nails in the package with pink gel nail glue. Okay, y'all already know I will not be using that. If you see me with these nails on, it won't be because I used the glue to do it. Okay. So let's see. It gives you a mini file and a manicure stick. And Kiss is the #1 fashion nail brand. All righty. Now, it does give you the directions to put them on. Now, this is something very interesting to me. This says it has an expiration date. Press-on nails have an expiration date. That's interesting. Okay. And it says the expiration date is 6 months. But I think they are really pretty. They're not really long, but they are pretty. I wish you could really get the gist of what they look like. They're just very pretty. I like the iridescent look. They go from green to purple to blue. We shall see. More nails, better fit. And it is a cruelty-free and vegan product. And it says they last up to 14 days. All righty. What are your thoughts? You see that a little better? Okay, that is the last product in the box. And it says the manufacturer suggested retail price is $8.97. All right, y'all. Thoughts? Anyone? Anyone at all? What do you think? I would love to know. Now, when I turned the booklet over, it says the Origin perfume, which is this one right here. It says a journey in every scent. They clearly have 5 different scents. It says each fragrance captures the essence of a place and memory. Look at that. Okay. Well, I can only go by the one that I have right now, but I probably will be checking them out. So if you've gotten your box already, did you get a different fragrance than what I received? If you did, please let me know. And let me know if you think it's one that I might like, if you think it's one that I should go out and try. All right. So it really does smell nice. All right. Okay. So, of course, I just want to say I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we opened our Walmart beauty box for the spring season. Okay. These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for all of the full size products that were enclosed. All right. Now, make sure you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know what it is that you did like or don't like. If you just like the products that are here, the fact that we received 3 full size, which more than covered what the cost is for the box. Okay. And actually, this item right here, the price, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one was more than what uh, the shipping price is. All right. So it's definitely worth it. So let me know your thoughts, even if you did not like the contents of the season's box. Let me know by leaving me a comment down below. I would so greatly appreciate it. All right. Now, make sure you subscribe. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. You know we'd be more than happy to have you. And this is easy on the pocket because it is free. Share this video with someone else who may never have heard about the Walmart beauty box, or just somebody who may want to try out the nails, and you can get all of these other gifts right along with that for less than what you would spend just on these. You would have the whole box. All right. Now, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.